will be done in all that we do. In Jesus' name, we pray. Amen.
Hello everyone! Good morning, good evening sa lahat ng mga andito. Pa-type nga dyan kung saan country tayo ngayon. Ayun, kung saan country tayo nanunood. We have from Qatar, we have from Hong Kong, we have Miss Lizelle from Canada, we have from Guam. Wow, grabe sabog na sabog yung ating inbox. Grabe naman, nakaka-overwhelm. Grabe, I know for sure sobrang excited yung mga andito. We are 308 participants and papasok pa yung iba. I know for sure. And anyway, no, limited lang po yung ating Zoom kaya as much as possible, wag po tayong mag-exit. Anyway, I know you're all excited. Okay, ayun, we have Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Wow! Shout out from Dubai, shout out from Abu Dhabi, kay Sir Edsel, La Union, Philippines. Wow! We have from Corales. Saan ba itong Corales? We have from Singapore, Sir Bart. Hello po. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Si Sir Marvin from Doha, Qatar. And we have Miss Maria from Lopez, Quezon. Wow! Padami ng padami po yung mga andito. And of course, we are 300 already. Wow, grabe, nakaka-overwhelm kasi iba't ibang countries yung mga nanunood. And of course, I know you are all excited, no, na naka-tune in dito. And guys, this is my question. Are you ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Ayun, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Grabe no, sobrang energetic ng host ngayong gabi. Yun talaga, kasi energy is currency. 'Di ba? Lahat tayo dito, kapag energetic ka, naku, papasok lahat ng blessing. Tama? Kalimutan mo muna yung mga nangutang sa'yo. Kalimutan mo muna yun, okay? Anyway, the best here in Hero 30 is whether you're a complete beginner or someone na curious about the world of Forex trading, this event is really designed for you. So the best part here, kahit baguhan ka man or may experience sa trading, para sa'yo yung event na to, whether you're just starting out or leveling up your skills. So here you will discover powerful strategies to help you trade smarter, plus we will have a massive surprise that you won't wanna miss. So as much as possible, just stay here dito sa Zoom and tapusin nyo talaga at the end of this event. Kasi marami po tayong mga sorpresa. And of course, before we start, I would like to acknowledge all the coaches here, guys. Bigyan po natin sila ng emoji clap dyan, no? I would like to acknowledge all the coaches na grabe mag-serve sa community natin. We have Coach JL. Ayun, naka-tune in. We have Coach Jimro that is watching. We have Coach David. We have Coach Michelle. We have Coach Dondi and Shai. And also Coach Jesse. We have Coach Aljen. We have Coach Record and Jen. And of course, no, si Coach MJ. And hindi magpapahuli, no? Walang iba our founder, the reason behind this community, Coach Nars Paraguya. Ayun, palakpak-clap naman dyan, guys. No? Ayun. Diba? Nagsiserve po sila sa community na libre po yung service po nila. Grabe, no? Sobrang blessed po tayo, guys. And of course, I would like to acknowledge all the VIPs. So, ito po yung mga enrolled. Okay, so patype nga dyan number 1 if you are already a VIP or enrolled. Ayun, we have one, si Sir John Man, wow, from kanino pa yung iba? Ayun, si Miss Karen, si Sir Barts. Wow, okay. These are the VIPs. Ito yung mga nag-e-enjoy na sa education and tools ng community. And I know for sure, you want more, right? Gusto natin ng more and we will give that to you tonight. And of course, for the non-VIPs, if you are, kung ikaw ay guest pa muna na andito, patype nga number 2. Ayun, para ma-acknowledge naman natin yung mga guest or mga non-VIPs. Ayun, si Sir Jestony, shout out kay Sir Ariel, shout out kay Miss Miriam, ayun, si Sir Marvin, ayun, madami din pala tayong mga non-VIPs. And maybe this might be the sign that you've been waiting for to level up your skills with the guidance of our coaches and of course the community tools. Ayun, so guys, hindi ko na papatagalin pa, okay, to officially start our event, to give the opening remarks. Let's all welcome one of our trusted mentors in the Forex community. Get ready to be inspired as he sets the tone for an exciting and impactful event ahead. So let's all welcome, bigyan po natin ng clap sign, clap emoji, fire sign dyan, pasabugin natin yung ating GC. Let's all welcome Coach MJ Canoy.
Hello everyone. Happy time zone. I'm so happy and grateful na ang dami natin tonight. Ayan. Sobrang nakaka-excite, guys. Wow, overwhelming. Thank you so much for the love and support sa community natin. Ayan. So guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze lang, no? Look back lang ako, guys. How God made this happen, no? I can vividly remember the time na everything was just a plan. Share ko lang sa inyo, ang dami naming meetings ni Coach Nars kasi yung first batch ng Hero 30 was launched last June. If hindi po ako nagkakamali, nagpunta sila Coach Nars dito sa Iligan. Ako din, pumupunta ng Cagayan de Oro just to really make sure that everything will go through as planned. And alam nyo guys, sabi pa namin that time, kahit isa or dalawa lang na mag-go through sa program at talagang magka-result at matuto, okay na sa amin yon. But fast forward, batch 1 was truly a massive success. Kaya palakpakan naman natin. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Wala ba kayong mga clap emojis dyan? Ayan. Also guys, we're really grateful to God kasi God gave us a founder in the name of Coach Nars, and it's really amazing how he placed this vision in his heart. A vision not just to trade, but to teach and guide others in this journey. Guys, sa mundo po ng Forex trading, maraming magagaling. I tell you, pero hindi lahat magaling magturo. Hindi po madali magturo sa Forex trading. Kaya yung iba, they chose only to explore this by themselves kasi iba yung pressure. Iba din yung tutok and iba yung attention, especially when you are building a community. So, guys, I want you to understand yung ginagawa po ng coaches natin, especially with our founder, Coach Nars, hindi po siya madali. And that's what makes this program so special. Kasi dito, hindi lang skills ang binibigay, kundi pati puso at malasakit sa bawat isa. Guys, palakpakan naman natin yung founder natin for really making this happen, no? Kasi if hindi siya nag-pave sa way, if hindi niya sinimulan to, if hindi niya pinakita sa amin kung ano yung purpose ng ginagawa namin, imagine, I really love what he tells us always, that we are doing something for the nation. It's nation building. Can you just imagine, ikaw magsisimula sa iyo na matatapos na yung history na masascam dahil sa Forex. Kasi alam mo na this time, ipapasa mo na sa anak mo, sa apo mo, and the generations to come na hindi na tayo magiging ignorante sa mga ganitong bagay. Imagine that. And guys, sa batch 1, sobrang overwhelming ang response. Ang daming natuto, ang daming nabago, ang daming mindset na na-twist at maraming nagkaroon ng confidence to take their forex trading seriously, no? And dahil sa sobrang daming nag-request at nag-demand, eto tayo ngayon. Batch 2 is finally here. Kami mismo guys, hindi kami makapaniwala. We were thinking maybe next year na or after few months. We're eyeing at October, November, or maybe next year for batch 2. But here we are. Grabe si Lord and grabe kayo guys na mag-support sa community. Kaya we're very grateful to you, to everyone na andito. Tonight is not just about starting another program, but it's about starting a new chapter in your forex trading journey. Pero, hindi magiging madali ang lahat. Pero tandaan nyo to, you are never alone. You are part of a community that learns together, grows together, and wins together. Again, congratulations, kasi by being here tonight, andito ka ngayon. You really made a way, no? You really showed up, no? Yan pa lang, that means you've already made one brave decision for your future. Again, welcome ahead sa lahat ng upcoming Batch 2 Hero 30 participants. Balik ko sa iyo, Coach Marge.
Ayun, wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Coach MJ Canoy. Wow, grabe, no? Kahit ako, nakakilibutan, no? Sa mga sinasabi ni Coach MJ. Kasi actually, it's really another event na hindi namin akalain na magbabatch 2 na right now, no? So grabe, I was really inspired and I am so excited na marami na naman ang magkakatipi. Gusto ba natin yun, guys? Gusto ba natin yun? Pa-type nga dyan number 1 kung sino dito yung gusto talaga na magpaldo. Yun talaga, yung sasabog talaga yung group chat sa lahat ng mga testimonies, sa lahat ng mga income, no? Sarap ng feeling nun. And of course, no, hindi po pwede na hindi ko po ipapakita yung mga testimonies that we are about to unfold. Let's hear it from Hero 30 Batch 1. Pakinggan po natin yung mga testimonies ng ating Batch 1. Okay, hold on saglit while finifix yung ating audio. Ayun, talagang nakaka-excite yan, Coach.
So hi guys, good morning. So share ko lang sa inyo naging journey ko sa forex trading. So I'm a local businessman dito sa Cagayan de Oro, pero napa-join ako sa community na to kasi simplified yung pagka-explain nila, yung mga trainings nila, especially sa Hero 30. So in just 1 month, matutunan mo talaga mag-trade. Kita-kits ulit sa batch 2. So hopefully maka-join kayo. See you and keep trading.
Hi guys, I'm Cams and I'm a civil engineer. I'm very grateful na naka-attend ako ng Hero 30 and I'm hoping to see you guys sa batch 2 and see ya!
Hi guys, my name is Lara. I am an online seller at the same a full-time forex trader. As a batch 1 Hero 30 completer, na-realize ko na as long as meron kang plano daily at adaptable ka at committed po nga gusto mo talagang matuto at the same time magkaroon ng profit sa forex trading. I'm inviting you sa lahat ng gusto sumali sa batch 2. Hope we're going to see you there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Erwin Abrigo. I'm a sales professional. I'm very grateful and thankful na nasama ako sa Hero 30. Hoping for everyone na masama ulit tayo sa second batch ng Hero 30.
Hi, my name is Ryan Jane Kilala Daria. I'm a full-time housewife and a forex trader. By the way, I would just like to thank, this is a great testimony for me that as I joined this community, malaking tulong talaga ng Hero 30 sa akin sa pagtitrade. Kaya I'm inviting everyone to join us in this community and this program. Thank you and God bless.
Ayun! Wow! Patype nga dyan, I am next. Para ikaw na naman yung susunod na maging testimony. Sige nga. Kailangan talaga i-claim natin, I am next. Dapat ako na talaga yung mag-share, no? At magta-testimony ng mga profit ko. Wow, grabe, sabog talaga yung inbox. Ang participative talaga ng audience ko right now. Nako, yung mga nagta-type ng I am next. Sure na sure ako. I claim it na itong mga nagta-type, ito talaga yung next na papaldo. Ayun. Anyway, eto. The moment that we've all waiting for. The highlight of today's event. Ayun, I know you're all ready. But get ready to learn, be inspired, and take your trading journey to the next level. Let me introduce to you the brains and the vision behind the Pinoy traders community. And guys, we wouldn't be here today without this person's dedication and leadership. Get ready to hear from the driving force who started it all. Walang iba. Walay pagdapig-dapig. Sa Bisaya pa. Let's all welcome. Let's give a warm welcome to. Guys, kailangan sabog talaga ha. Sabog talaga yung inbox. Heart sign, clap sign, fire sign. Kahit hindi ko kayo naririnig guys, naririnig ko kayo dito sa chat box natin. Anyway, let's give a warm welcome to the founder of Pinoy Traders Community. Let's all welcome Coach Nars Paraguya.
Hello guys. How are you?
Ayun.
Can you hear me well? Yes, can you hear me well? Welcome po sa lahat. First of all, I would like to thank God
Coach,
for
wala
this
kang boses.
opportunity. Sound check.
Okay pala, Coach. Sorry.
All right. So first, I would like to thank God for opportunity to serve. Dahil po sa forex trading, nabago yung buhay ko at maraming tao na nabago. So, at ngayon, ipapaso namin yung baton sa inyo kung paano, how to play with the financial market. Okay? So, who's excited for tonight? Can you drop number 5? As you drop number 5, guys, I would like also to honor my fellow coaches, part of my inner circle, mga coaches na kasama sa inner circle ko. And then, of course, special mention na rin sa mga among inner, Coach Jim Rowe, Coach Ryan, Coach Kurt, Coach JL, and Coach David, Coach Michelle. And of course, I would like to thank Coach MJ and Coach Marge for being the head or managing this launching of Hero 30. All right. So guys, without much further ado, I would like to start my presentation with a, wait, let me check. Give me 5 seconds to share my screen. Parang kinakabahan ako. Something good will happen tonight. Do you agree? Something good will happen tonight. Magpapabonus yata ako. Okay. So by the way guys, before I forgot, magpapabonus muna ako. Sinong gusto magkaroon ng bonus? Sino dito maka-receive ng bonus? Mamigay muna ako guys. Mamigay muna ako. Ang ibibigay ko is cash. Okay? Cash and a content. Who wants to earn cash and a content? Okay. Sige po, mamimigay po ako ng isang 3,000 pesos, isang 2,000 pesos, at isang 1,000 pesos. Okay? And also, mamimili po ako ng 5 participants tonight. 5. Na bibigyan ko ng free scholarship with our coaching program po. Coaching program. So, who's excited at sino makagusto? Ang requirements po guys, titingnan namin dito kung sino yung pinaka-responsive. Kung sino po yung pinaka-responsive. Kasi actually, sabog na po yung group chat natin, pero pasasabugin pa natin guys. It's just to have fun for this night. Para masaya lang lahat. Alright? So, welcome to Pinoy Traders Community. We don't just trade. We grow together, we win together, and we rise together. Alright? So welcome to Hero 30. Zero knowledge for being profitable. Guys, if you don't mind, sino ho dito yung zero knowledge talaga sa forex trading pero gustong matuto? Can you drop number 5 on the chat box so I know that this is for you? No, if you are not zero knowledge, nagtitrade ka na, don't worry, we also have strategies and technical analysis in this program. So we will make it sure that everyone matuto at make it sure everyone na kumita sa forex trading. So Hero 30, this is a 30-day challenge po. At ano ba itong 30-day challenge? Ito po yung pag-uusapan natin. But remind me, Coach Marge, Coach MJ, please remind me, meron po akong 3 taong bibigyan ng pera at 5 taong bibigyan ng scholarship dito po sa coaching program natin. So hopefully mamimili tayo. Sa dami ng magme-message kasi paano ipipili? Kasi yung message parang siguro maglagay tayo ng app na roleta para makita. For those who are new here, I'll just formally introduce myself. I'm Nars Paraguya. I'm 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. So kaway-kaway mga Bisaya dyan. So graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. I'm 10 years in the digital business, but I'm more 20 years of experience as an entrepreneur. I also own a mountain private resort here in our place in Misamis Oriental. I am a licensed financial consultant and I started forex trading since 2017. So medyo mataas na po yung story ko, ang journey ko sa forex trading. At of course, malaking bagay na rin yung experience ko, natalo, nanalo, natalo, para po ma-share ko po sa inyo. And I found the community, Pinoy Traders Community. Right now, we are more than 7,000 plus all over the world. 70% of this one are OFW. Grabe, nakakatuwa, nakaka-amaze. Na-fall in love ako sa mga OFW. Nakita ko kasi yung hugot nila sa buhay. Alam niyo yung hugot ng mga OFW? Nung una, gusto nila maka-abroad. Pero ngayon, ang hugot nila, gusto nilang makauwi at gustong mag-for good. Sino dito yung mga OFW, kaway-kaway? Can you type agree kung tama ba yung hugot ninyo? True. So gusto na makauwi, gusto na mag-for good. So ako naman, pakita ko lang yung bakit ko to ginagawa guys. First, for me, personal, I'm a family man with 3 children because I want to have a quality life with my family. Gusto ko magkaroon ng may time ako sa family ko at gusto ko magkaroon ng may budget ako sa family ko. Right now, we are living well in this one of the prestigious subdivision with a golf course in our backyard. And then my 3 children are studying in a private prestigious school. Hindi po yan sa pagmamayabang. Yan po ay pinakita ko sa inyo para po ma-manifest ninyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa forex trading at sa digital business na kung pwede mo itong i-consider in a long run. Alright? So, bakit po forex trading? This is just a short run through. Digital business, flexible lifestyle. Ibig sabihin, perfect po ito for OFW. Habang nag-work kayo, pwede kayong i-practice gamit ang cellphone at internet nyo. Hindi nyo kailangan malaking capital. So what suggest ko lang dito talaga is una yung learning experience mo, then yung startup capital mo nasa 100 to 300 USD if you want to avail our 100% bonus. Pero kung makuha mo to, mataas yung high earning potential and kailangan no experience needed. So yun yung requirement, no experience needed. So pasok ka dito, kanina na nagsabi. Sabi kasi ni Dan, look guys, if you're not making money online in this era, you're missing the biggest shift in wealth creation history. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ngayon po, marami na pong kumita sa digital business. Okay. Dati po, dropshipping o e-commerce. Okay. And then pumasok yung content creation. Kaya lang, sa content creation, sa dami na nagka-content creation, parang nalilimit na rin yung earnings. And then this time is yung forex trading. Actually, matagal itong forex trading, guys. Konti lang yung nagtuturo, mahirap kasi ituro ito. So welcome to, that's why we created the community, the training program or the challenge itself, Hero 30. Ang Hero 30 po is a 30-day challenge. 30-day po tayo magsama-sama, group coaching, tulungan ka, i-guide ka para matuto ka sa forex trading. Sinong gusto ng ganyan? Sinong gustong i-guide? Okay. Sinong gustong turuan? Okay. So ito po yung gagawin natin. Ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano itong forex trading. I-guide namin sa inyo. I-walk through the journey in forex trading. Ituturo namin sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang namin ituturo. I-guide pa namin kayo at ipapakita pa namin sa iyo. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, we will be having like, tawag dito, live trading sessions para makita nyo kung paano namin ginagawa. Trade executions in live para makita nyo, masundan nyo kung paano natin ito ginagawa. So, and also to inspire you, kasi minsan, kulang lang ng inspiration eh. Kulang ng konting push. So, nandito tayo, kasi minsan sa journey, hindi naman lahat masaya. Minsan, nadidepress ka, lalo na yung mga OFW, minsan nakakamiss yun sa family mo. We are here to inspire you. So, sama-sama tayo dito. Ika nga, yung ano natin, yung tagline natin, we don't just trade, we grow together, we win together, and we rise together. So, ito po yung mga resulta na nakakatuwa ng sinend sa atin ng community natin. Yung first batch po of Hero 30. Guys, ipapakita ko tayo sa inyo, hindi po sa pagmamayabang ulitin ko. Ipapakita namin sa inyo, hindi po sa bilang proof. The reason why na ipapakita ko to sa inyo, kasi gusto kong makita mo kung ano yung future result mo. I want you to see your future result. In other words, I want you to manifest. Titigan mo itong resulta na ito. I want you to manifest, attract. Kasi kung nakaya ito ng maraming tao, nangyari ng mga students natin, mangyayari din sa inyo. And I want you to claim your portion. Kasi, guys, ito mga screenshot, guys, normally, 1 day ito. Pero yung trade talaga nito is like 30 minutes, 1 hour, pinakamataas na siguro 2 hours because scalping yung strategy natin. Nag-average talaga ito, guys, ng 30 minutes. So, kung mayroon kang 30 minutes in 1 day, pwede ito sa'yo. So imagine guys, nagpapasalamat. Kaya nga gusto ko sabi ni Coach MJ, this is a nation building. Ito po yung ginagawa natin guys, solution ng problema mo. Okay? Anong problema? Problema sa pera kasi dito gumagawa tayo ng pera through forex trading. Yun yung ituturo natin sa inyo. Okay? Kaya lang, I want you to stick until the end kasi i-announce namin kung sino yung winner, yung ibang i-scholar namin, at sino yung ang tawag nito, bibigyan natin ng pera. At I want you to stick the end kasi magbibigay ako ng pabonus doon sa mga nag-stay until the end. This will not take so long, maybe 30 minutes, and then let's end, and then you take your part. Okay. Sabi dito, Coach, especially Coach Sarge, Coach MJ introducing this business, isang araw kumita ng 194. Another 30-day challenge I've accepted has done, thank you, Coach. Imagine, 185. Magkano to? It's like 10,000. Isang araw lang, 10,000. Okay. Guys, our mentors done great a job. Okay, we're not doing the credit, they're doing the credit too. Kahit 81 lang, 81 USD. Guys, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is USD lahat ha. Dollar, okay? Kasi dollar yung major currency natin sa forex trading. So, 81 is like 5,000 pesos in one day. Okay? 175. So, ibig sabihin guys, nag-average dito ng 100 to 200 extra income on the side. No, sabi kanina ni Dondi, on the side yung dating OFW. Okay? So another 165. Last month ito, during the Hero 30, merong isa. Grabe. Ito guys ito yung story niya. Nag-trade siya, account, nag-recover, natalo siya ng 711. Pero dahil sa guide, nanalo siya ng 884. Okay? So, ito naman 102. Okay. Ito naman is 518. Wow, guys. Isang araw, 518, 20,000 pesos. Claiming. Okay. Another is Coach Nars, 320. Tinotal niya lahat. 320, kinita ko pala sa isang oras. Mukhang di ko na ata need magpuyat at abangan si Abdallah na turo. Grabe, di ba? So, actually guys, marami ito. Kung ipapakita ko lahat ng nag-share ng screenshot na ito, aabutin tayo ng hanggang bukas. But don't worry guys, if you decide to take part of this program, isasama ka namin sa GC. Ang good news is, kasama mo pati batch 1. Ano maganda kasama mo batch 1? Una-una makita mo yung result nila. Pangalawa, mayroon ng mga taong mag-guide sa'yo. Halimbawa, busy ako, hindi ko makapagsagot kagad. Okay, mayroon din dito guys. Imagine isang OFW. Magaling kasi ang coach, grabe. 618 sa isang araw. 600 USD. It's like, magkano to? 30,000, 35,000 sa isang araw. Okay. Ito pa, grabe. This one is overwhelming. Using Surefire Signal, using cheat codes natin, where DMS or the key. 1,696 or around 80,000 isang araw. Yes, you heard it right. Ganon kaganda at ganon kadali kumita dito sa forex trading. Kaya lang, Sunday trade using indicator found out guys kahit Saturdays. Thank you. Profit, thanks Coach Nars Coaching. Guys, Sunday, nagtitrade siya, BTC. Thanks Coach Nars, Coach MJ. Kumita lang naman 1,000 or around 55,000 pesos. Okay? So I thank so much for the screenshots. Ang dami tayong screenshots. So ano yung format for training natin guys? Uulitin ko, 30 days tayong magsama-sama because we wanna make it short. Bakit po 30-day coach? Guys, I tell you, you cannot learn in Forex instantly. Kung i-research mo ito sa Google, it will take you 2 years to learn Forex trading. Ilang years? Ilang years? Ilang years? 2 years para maging profitable sa Forex trading. Okay. So can you type 2 years? Now, if you are very fast learner, kukunin mo ito 6 months. 6 months. If you're very fast learner, 6 months. Now, in our community, I'm not saying after 30 days, it's done. But we want to make it sure that within 30 days, hindi pa natapos yung 30 days, pwede ka nang kumita applying the strategy. I-apply mo lang yung strategy. Okay? So, here's the format, guys. 2 to 3 live sessions per week. So, every week, ang schedule talaga dito, guys, normally is Tuesday, 10 p.m. PH time, parang ganitong oras. And then Friday, 10 p.m. PH time. Yun yung schedule. Now, I understand, iba-iba yung time zone natin. if you wala hindi yung time na yun busy ka, don't worry because within 24 hours kinabukasan nandun na yung session natin last night, naka-record na. Nakalagay na, naka-post na sa GC natin para makita mo anytime pwede mong i-review. Or kahit nag-attend ka, gusto mo lang i-review kasi gusto mo talagang makuha. Kahit nag-attend ka, pwede. Alright? Pwede. So yun yung ano natin. So 1 to 3 live sessions, hands-ons, 4 weeks guided learning. So 4 weeks. Bakit may gap hindi everyday? Guys, nag-learn po ako sa forex trading 3 days straight po. 3 days. Umaga hanggang gabi. Bukas, umaga hanggang gabi. Second day. 3 day bukas, umaga hanggang gabi. At the end of the training, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. When I execute, wala akong mapagtanungan kasi lahat umuwi na. And then mas malaki pa yung binabayaran ko. The good thing about this part is that after the session, mayroon assignment, may execution. Kung nahihirapan ka, naguguluhan ka, you can always ask question to the community. Okay. You can always ask question to the community. Okay. So it's not a shortcut, but at least mas mabilis pa rin yung 1 month compared to 2 years. Okay. So total of 10 to 12 power pack sessions, and then replay will be accessible to all sessions within 24 hours. Okay. Of course, it comes with a price. Pero sasabihin ko sa iyo, anong journey natin? Okay. Ang journey natin, guys, it comes from 5M. Okay. Una, number 1 is that dapat tuturuan kung ano yung tamang mindset. Importante kasi yung mindset. Okay. Kung ano ba yung tamang pag-iisip. Kasi mayroong maraming wrong mindset when it comes to business. So dito turuan, right mindset. Number 2 is mechanism. You can write it down. Mechanics. Ano ba yung mechanics? Paano ba mag-trade execute? Ano ba yung XAU-USD? Ano ba yung US30? Ano ba yung Euro-USD? So mechanics. After mechanics, tituruan tayo ng market structure. Okay, market structure. Dito naman papasok yung technical analysis. Dito papasok yung introduction at tamang mindset. Dito papasok, guys, yung trade execution, tuturuan. First session pa lang tuturuan na paano mag-trade. Okay, paano mag-trade? Anong i-click? Ipapakita. Ito yung i-click mo. Anong app na gagamitin? So ito yung app na gagamitin mo, MT5. Anong broker? Ito, ganyan. And then market structure, this is more on technical analysis. So medyo a little bit advanced, but these two are the basic. And then this one is a little bit advanced. Okay. Then after this one with another M, here is we go to the tawag dito na management. Paano mo i-manage yung trade mo or the psychology side of trading. Kasama na rin dito, guys, yung tinatawag natin na ituturo din natin sa inyo yung strategy. Mayroon tayong strategy sa XAU-USD. Very simple indicators na very effective, lalo na sa when it comes to scalping. So management mo dito, then after that, we go with the mastery. Guys, ang goal natin dito, hindi lang matuto. If you want to be profitable in forex trading, your goal is not only to learn, but your goal is to master. Kaya nga, everyday may mga assignment. Okay, everyday may mga assignment. Kailangan natin siyang i-master. Who's with me? Gusto niyang kumita at gusto niyang i-master yung forex trading. No? Can you type a letter M or 5M? Kailangan i-master. Okay, at kailangan maging profitable sa forex trading. So hindi po ito tsamba, guys. May science po ito. Lahat ituturo namin sa inyo. Ito pa lang, hindi ito madali. Okay. Nakakatuwa, kahapon may nag-message sa akin, gustong magpaturo one-on-one pa. Kasi daw Bisaya din siya. Ako din, oh yes, walang problema. Sabi niya, sabi ko, mara kasi kaming training programs, may bayad. Sabi niya, parang na-offend siya doon. Sabi niya, mautak talaga itong mga Pinoy. Sabi ko, bro, ganito kasi yan. Ang pag-aaral natin sa forex trading hindi madali. Lalo na yung pagturo. Marami nga nag-aral na sunugan pa rin. Ibig sabihin na liquidate, nag-failure pa rin sila. So maraming nag-aral pero na-fail pa rin. Sabi ko, bro, not to mention yung years na pag-aaral ko dito at yung mga pera na nasunog ko. Ibig sabihin, dumaan din ako sa nasunog, natalo, dumaan din ako dyan. Kung tatanungin mo magkano, dumaan ako guys nasunog ng 400,000 isang gabi lang. 400,000 isang gabi. So sabi ko, lahat ng experience na yon, heart moment, heartache, kasama yung technical analysis, gusto niyang kunin sa akin for free. Sabi ko, bro, I understand that this is not for everyone. At yan din ang sasabihin ko sa inyo tonight. This is not for everyone. Unang-una, this is not for the faint-hearted. This is not for the play risk. Kasi ang forex trading is high risk, high reward business model. So para po ito sa risk taker, ang tanong, risk taker ka ba? Okay. Willing ka bang matuto? Because this is not for everyone. Success is not for everyone. Para po ito sa willing matuto at saka willing talagang mag-pay the price. Okay? So it's not really for everyone. Kaya nga it comes with a price. But guys, I wanna make it sure na ma-afford mo. Okay? It comes with a price. Okay? Okay. Ito yung presyo. Nag-aral ako guys ng 3 days. Ng 3 days forex trading. Walang guide after that. Hindi ko alam. Walang GC. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ganito kalaki yung kinita ko, ganito kalaki yung potential na kikitain, yung pinakita ko kanina. Ang tanong, kagaya ko, willing ka bang magbayad ng 599 para matuto at kumita? Yun yung tanong ko. Remember, mayroon tayong promo at pa-bonus, right? Kung sino yung interactive. Guys, ang tanong ko, willing ka bang magbitaw ng ganito kalaking amount? Actually, maliit lang ito eh. Compared to any other business, this is like 30,000. You can even start a business in a very good business. Although, you can start a business ng 20,000, 30,000, pero hindi ganun kalaki yung kikitain mo. So, willing ka ba? So, congratulations kasi willing ka. Guys, imagine. Ito guys, ito yung binayad ko 3 days lang. 3 days only. Pero ito yung babayaran nyo 1 month. 1 month tayo guys sama-sama. Okay, willing. So, congratulations sa may willing. Dahil willing kayo guys, gusto nyo bang ibaba natin ng konti? Dahil willing kayo, gusto bang ibaba natin ng konti? Baba muna natin ng konti. Okay, dahil willing kayo guys, how about i-crush ko na lang itong 5,099 USD? Okay, remember, this is an intensive, comprehensive, ibig sabihin intense. Okay, sinusulit natin at saka comprehensive is pinadali natin. Kung pwede nga, lahat in Bisaya, kung lahat Bisaya dito, binisaya yun talaga nato para masabtan. Okay, sorry for the Tagalog. Ibig kong sabihin na kung pwede in the layman's term talaga, pinasimplified, kasi di ba yung mga terms, confluences, ano ba yan, hindi ko maintindihan yan. Yung mga breakout structure, change of character, ano ba yan, hindi ko maintindihan yan. So pinadali lang natin sa language na madali mo lang maintindihan. The goal here is to understand, hindi naman to master yung mga terminologies. Okay? So that's also my goal. So kaya nangyari itong Hero 30, ito yung challenge sa inyo. So, i-crush na natin at gawin na natin 400. Okay lang ba? Gawin na natin 400. So, mayroon na tayong discount na 199 for this one. So, guys, imagine. Alam niyo ho ba na yung mga courses na hindi ko nalagay dito? May mga courses na 1,500, may mga courses na 9,000 USD. Pero since si Eman sabi niya lower, okay, don't worry, palo-lower pa natin. Lower. So i-crush na natin yung 400 guys. Gawin na nating 50% off sa lahat ng nag-join tonight. Okay, sa lahat ng nag-join tonight, gawin nating 50% off guys ha. 1 month ito, hindi ito madali sa akin. Ibibigay ko yung 1 month ko sa inyo. Okay, imbis na mag-Dubai ako or mag-Singapore or 'di ba? Or mag-Boracay, 'di ba? So 50% off. Okay, so 50% off guys. Sulit na ba? let me know kung sulit na. That means only 200 USD. 1 month katuturuan. At ganito yung potential na kikitain mo. Alright. Imagine guys, imagine. If you feel na hindi pa ito sulit, imagine guys, in some programs, in other companies, okay, para makapag-attend ka ng ganitong programs, kailangan mo magbayad ng 1,499 at meron pang 99 na monthly subscription. Okay. 1,499. Magkano yan? Magkano yan guys? Help me. So nasa mga 70,000, 60,000. Okay. And then mayroon ding sa iba 1,799. 1,799, almost 100,000 ay guys. Mayroon pang monthly subscription. Guess what? Sa Hero 30 natin guys, sa Hero 30 natin, lifetime ka nang maka-join sa GC natin at sa dalawang Telegram. Ang isang Telegram is GC, ang isang Telegram is bonus. Okay? Bonus yan. Bonus yung isang Telegram na yan. Okay. In our previous namin guys na program, sa previous program namin guys, mayroon tayong 849, mayroon tayong 1,499. So medyo mataas din siya. So may kamahalan din. Kaya yung 200, feeling ko, sulit na sa inyo. Plus, within the program guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang tinatawag na XAU Sniper. Ang XAU Sniper guys, isang signature strategy ng community natin na very simple but it's a high precision scalping strategy using indicators. Na i-combine ang indicators, may mga confluences ka. Very simple, is a user-friendly pero mataas yung win rate. Ituturo namin ito sa inyo. XAU Sniper. Type XAU Sniper kung gusto mo makuha yan. Aside from that guys, I will be giving you a bonus. Okay. This bonus guys is called Surefire VIP Signal. Surefire VIP Signal is worth 499 USD if you're going to buy. Ito po yung bili ko sa provider. Mayroon po akong provider dito na mas mga pro, mas mga expert po from London. Sila po yung provider ko dito. Kung bibilin mo ito, kahapon lang guys, kahapon lang, papakita ko sa inyo, kahapon lang, nag 800 plus pips tayo. 800 plus pips. Sibiruin mo kung nakasabay ka, at least $1, 1 pip. 800 plus pips tayo kahapon lang sa Surefire na VIP Signal. Guys, ito, bonus ko na itong ibibigay sa inyo if you enroll in Hero 30. Okay? So, i-crush na natin yung 400 kasi nagsabi na ako na 50%. So, 200 na lang. Okay? So, sinong mag-enroll? Wait, ready na ba yung enrollment form natin? By the way, guys, enrollment form, copy-paste lang ito kasi ganito yan. Okay, ganito yan. Tatapusin ko na ito. Give me 5 minutes and then let's end. Sinong gustong dagdagan ko pa yung discount? Dagdagan ko pa yung discount. Dagdagan pa natin, guys. Guys, ganito. I-crush na natin yung 200 USD. Gawin natin affordable. And exciting news, guys. Exciting news. Limited lang ito kasi I love action takers. Remember, guys, success are only for action takers. Sino yung gustong makakuha talaga? Success loves speed and success love action takers. Money loves speed. Money love action takers. Guys, i-combine mo yung dalawa, guys. Within the next 24 hours, isulat mo. Within the next 24 hours or mga first 30 student. Right now, mayroon nang naka-enroll na 20 plus. Maybe gawin natin 50. But sabihin na natin the next 24 hours na lang. Within the next 24 hours na lang, Marge, nakapili ka na ba ng gagawin nating scholar at bibigyan natin ng GCash? Okay? So, ganito guys.
Yes, Coach.
Hindi na 599, hindi na 400, hindi na 200. But, this 1 month program alone, kasama yung mga bonus na XAUS USD and Surefire na worth 499. Ibibigay ko na lang guys para sa community as a help or tulong na lang ng only 99 USD or 5,500 na lang guys. Grabe, ang mura. Very affordable. Okay. 5,500 na lang guys. So kung ano natin to guys, every day, no? 5,500 in pesos divided by 30. Divided by 30, it's like 183 pesos per day lang ang bayad mo. Ganito na lang siya kamura. Plus, lifetime na yung membership natin sa private exclusive Facebook group. Plus, like yung Telegram group. Plus, if ever magkaroon tayo ng third batch, automatic na yan, libre ka nang mag-attend hanggang ma-master mo. Wow. Who's with me? Sinong gustong i-run? Sinong gustong kukunin yung 24 hours? Guys, remember, this is for the next 24 hours. Okay. Let me just share here the form. Someone can grab it, or maybe Coach Marge will grab it so that everyone, kasi guys, pabilisan ito guys, after 24 hours, i-close natin to. Remember, success loves speed and action taker. Okay. Ibibigay ko to guys sa GC yan. Yan ang registration natin guys. Ito. So, pwede ba itong ipin? Or kopyahin nyo lang yan guys. Kopyahin nyo lang yan. At saka i-grab mo guys. I'm sure guys, yung next batch ng Hero 30, probably next year. Because I will be busy in October, November, and December. So matatapos tayo guys, mag-start tayo guys next week. Matatapos tayo by end of September. So I'll be busy on October, November. Kung maghihintay ka yung next batch, 100% yan. Next year na yan, 2026. If I were you, habang naka-promo, habang nagbibigay kami, o habang ano. So guys, para lang ito sa action takers. Okay, I understand it's not for everyone. But if you're an action taker, if I were you, i-grab mo na ito for only 999. 1 month ka nang tuturuan. Grabe, 1 month. Live pa yun guys ha? Live. Live pa yun. Okay? Tapos marami pang magtatanong yan. Sisina mo kasi hindi, medyo technical kasi yung forex trading. So bonus XAU Sniper, Hyper Session, okay, ito, bonus na ito. At saka bonus yung community. For those who are in close to CDO, mayroon po tayong weekly na regular meet-up or session para po if you're from Bukidnon, ganyan, Friday night or so, para po mag-guide kayo. But kung I understand that we are all over the world, mayroon tayong regular sessions naman. Thrice a week yung sessions natin guys for Hero 30. Now, sagot ko, sinong gustong matuto, kumita sa financial market, kumita sa forex trading, hindi ka na mai-scam kasi ikaw na mismo yung magti-trade. Hindi mo na binigay yung pera mo sa iba. Hindi ka na mag-invest ng pera mo sa iba kasi ikaw na yung mag-i-invest. Uulitin ko, this is only for the next 24 hours and we will close the registration. Once again, welcome to Pinoy Traders Community. We don't just trade, we grow together, we win together, and we rise together. See you inside Hero 30.
Ayun, wow, palakpakan natin si Coach Nars. Grabe, sobrang daming blessing and bonus. Ayun, pa-type dyan, bonus. Anyway guys, before I forget, sa lahat po ng mga VIP po natin, congratulations, you're already part of our Hero 30. And meron... Ayun, saan si Coach Nars? Ayun.
I'm here, I'm here.
Tama ba, Coach? Tama ba, Coach?
Yes, yes.
Yes, 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 sa mga VIP natin. And we will have a different form. Okay, so just stay tuned kasi we will give another instruction po sa mga VIP natin. Okay, relax lang po tayo dyan. Okay, so anyway guys, ayun. Wow, excited ma'am. Sana daw yung 5-5. Grabe, no? Mas excited pa yata sila sa pa-freebie na GCash, Coach. Anyway, ito yung meron po tayong tech team na namimili para sa ating scholar. Ayun. Pero itong top 3 winners na to, ito talaga, nakinig ba talaga to? Nakinig ba tayo, guys? Nakinig ba sa session? Ayun, kung nakinig po tayo, ito po, meron po akong Q&A. Ayun, okay. Stop muna yung pagta-type sa chat box, guys, ha? Kasi ganito kasi yun, ito yung mechanics. Okay, pabilisan po siya ng sagot. Okay, pabilisan po tayo ng sagot, guys. If the tech team, ayun, yung nilagay ni Coach MJ sa chat box, saka lang po tayo sasagot. After ng lines na yan, saka na po sasagot. Okay? After ng line na yan, saka na po tayo sasagot. Okay? Okay ba tayo doon? Ayun, okay ba? Ayun, okay. Thank you, Sir Jesse. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, are you ready? Ayun, this is for the third prize. Ayun, sa GCash to guys ha. Sa GCash po ito. Okay, ready na. Wow, grabe. Okay guys, ito yung question for the third prize winner. Magkano ngayong amount nun, Coach? Baka magkamali ako for the third prize.
Babaguhin ko.
Sige, Coach.
Instead na 3,000, gagawin kong 5,000.
Wow! That's for the first prize, Coach.
Yes.
Yung
Pang-load
second
lang. At
prize
least,
po natin.
instead na 1,000, gawin kong 3,000.
Wow! Yung ating third prize, Coach.
1,000 as consolation prize.
Okay, again, the third prize is 1,000. The second prize is 3,000, tama, Coach? And the winner is 5,000 pesos. Wow, pang-enroll na to, guys. 'Di ba? Pang-enroll na to. Hindi ka na magpapalabas ng pera or kung nag 1,000, 4,500 na lang. Ayun, magkano mga ngayon yung dollars? Okay, are you ready, guys? Parang dito na-excite lahat eh. Okay, for the consolation. Okay, ready na tayo, Coach MJ? Yes. Okay, sobrang easy nito, guys. Okay. Okay, the question is, ano ang VIP signal na ibibigay ng community? Go! Okay, wow, grabe. May iba dito, Shore Life. Iba ata yung Shore Life. Coach MJ, sino yung after po ng bar? Again, after po ng bar, yan po yung counted. Pag before ka ng bar, okay, I am sorry kasi yun po yung mechanics natin. Okay, may I call on? Sir James. Ayun, you are the third prize winner. Meron po tayong 1,000 pesos with house and lot na ikaw pa yung magpapatayo. Char lang. Saan si Sir James? Tama ba yun, Coach MJ? Yes. James Esteledes. Pa-on-cam, Sir James Esteledes, para makita po natin na hindi siya AI. Baka AI daw eh. Ma'am, AI ako, ma'am. Ayun, saan si Sir James? Ayun, hindi AI si Sir James.
Congrats, Sir James.
Congrats, Sir James. Ayun, screenshot. Ayun, picture tayo, sir. Okay, meron kang 1,000, sir. 4,500 na lang yung kulang mo. Congratulations. Okay, thank you, Sir James. Okay, next. Are you ready, guys, for the 3,000 pesos winner? Nako. Guys, ha, after ng bar. Again, after ng bar, makinig po tayo sa mechanics. Ayun. Okay, eto na. Okay, 3,000. Okay. Ano ang signature strategy ng community? Ready? Go! Ayun, after ng bar ni Coach MJ. Shinor Kent. Okay, we have a winner. Shinor Kent. Ayun. Shinor Kent, kailangan magdala ng birth certificate para ma-identify namin. Meron kang 3,000 pesos. Ayun. Hello po. Good evening. Ayun. Picture tayo, sir. Proof. Ayun. Okay. Okay ba tayo, coach? Okay na? Okay na sa tech team. Thank you, sir. Grabe, sir. 2,500 na lang. Grabe, no? Nakinig ka lang. Nakatanggap ka pa ng good news. Meron ka pang cash prize. Eto, guys. The 5,000 winner. Nako, eto na. 500 na lang talaga yung kulang mo nito, guys. No? Ready na ba tayo? Okay, eto siya. Okay? What are the 5 M's na na-mention ni Coach Nars kanina? Ready? Go! 5M! Kailangan kompleto yung 5M. Ayun, mamili yung ating tech team. Bawal yung wrong spelling. Okay? Wrong spelling, wrong. Ayun. Congratulations, Sir Ace Lumigues. Nanalo po tayo ng 5,000 pesos. Ayun, grabe. Ang bilis mo mag-chat, sir. Parang keyboard warrior ata ito si Sir Ace. Ayun, pwede ba natin ma-interview si sir? Ayun, sir, taga-saan po tayo?
Pampanga po.
Ayun, sino po yung nag-imbita sa atin dito?
Nakalimutan ko po pero ang Jedalyn po yung pangalan niya sa
Wow! Congratulations, Sir Ace! Ayun, picture tayo, sir. Ayun. Okay. 500 pesos na lang yung kulang mo, sir. Ayun, congratulations po. Okay, ikaw na talaga. Again, guys, meron na ba tayong napili ng dalawang scholar? Okay, we have the tech team. Is it ready? Ayun, ito talaga, dalawang scholar. Grabe. Sobrang bait talaga ng ating founder. Palakpakan naman natin yung founder natin. And imagine niyo po, 30 days po natin siyang makakasama. No? Sana ba si Coach Record?
Si Fred Smith o si Pamela Laca, member na si Pamela Laca.
Guys, eto siya guys ha. Hindi po makaka-qualify yung members na, of course. We have to give it... okay na pala. Okay, sige po. Pasensya po. Okay. Okay, eto. Meron na ba? Okay, so I will invite our judge. Okay, let's invite our judge here in the floor. Dito sa, may I call on Coach Record? Yung grabe din mag-serve sa community natin. Grabe, tawagin ko si Coach Record. Guys, palakpakan naman natin si Coach Record. Kailangan talaga magpalakpak ka talaga dyan para mapili ka. Ayun,
Yes.
for the scholarship, Coach, I will give the floor to you.
Yes, congratulations sa pinaka... Anong una natin gagawin? Yung number 2 muna?
Yes po. Number 2
So,
muna, Coach.
congratulations in advance kay Pamela Lacas iPhone.
Wow, Ma'am Pamela.
Isa
Saan
sa
si
mga
Ma'am
keyboard
Pamela
warriors.
dito? Ma'am Pamela, kapag wala si Ma'am Pamela, wala na. Saan si Ma'am Pamela? Ayun, patrack nga. Ayun, ang ganda naman ni Ma'am Pamela from Canada. Ayun. Okay, pwede po picture tayo. Invite natin si Ma'am Pamela. Ayun. Okay, Okay, sige po. 3, 2, 1. Ayun, next.
Sige, so yung pinaka-active talaga, so kanina pa to from start to finish, si Mr. Fred Smith.
Wow! Grabe si Mr. Fred. Na-notice ko din yan, Coach. Ayun. On cam, Sir Fred. Ayun, umay na daw siya, oh. Another scholar. Ayun, pa-on cam, Sir Fred. Ayun, congratulations, sir. Sobrang active mo. Ayun, saan si Sir Fred? Ayun. Wow! Hi, sir! Hello po. Are you a foreigner? Can you speak Tagalog? Ayun, i-unmute natin si sir. Okay. Kasabot na si Sir Mura mag-foreigner. I mean, nagbisaya na hinoon. parang foreigner si Sir, ah. Ayun, hello Mike. Ayun, parang na-excite din po yung microphone ni Sir Fred.
Hello.
Ayun. Hello, Sir Fred.
Hello po, good evening.
Wow!
Yes
Pilipino pala.
Yes po, Bisaya pod ko actually.
Oy, Bisaya pag yun. Lahi, ganing Bisaya. Good. Perfect. Taga-asa ka, sir.
Davao City po.
Davao, ayun. See you soon. Dol ra data sa Cagayan de Oro. Anyway,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
congratulations. And
Thank you,
picture
thank
muna
you.
tayo para sa proof. Ayun, picture. Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Fred.
Congrats.
Ang galing. Thank you so much, Coach Record. Palakpakan natin si Coach Record, guys. Grabe siya talaga yung nag-monitor. Mahirap po yun. Anyway, again po, after this Zoom meeting, we will cascade sa lahat ng GC natin yung form. And of course, i-attach po ninyo doon after paying, no, yung resibo. Okay? And just wait po for 24 to 48 hours. Okay? Kasi po, magiging busy po yung accounting department po natin. So, bigyan po natin ng patience. Okay? I hope and I pray na na-excite yung community natin right now and maraming natutunan. And again, this is your host. Sorry guys, picture muna tayo. Ayun, okay lang ba? Mag-on po tayo ng cameras po natin for a remembrance. Ayun, kailangan. This is the batch 2 ng Hero 30. Okay, para makasama po tayo sa history. Can you on your cameras? Ayun. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, another one. Okay, another one. Okay, another one. Okay, another one. 13 pages to Coach. Okay. Okay na. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Coach Nars. Thank you to our founder.
Congratulations, guys. See you inside.
Ayun, thank you. Good night, everyone. Good night.
Naka-record ta, Coach March, no?
Yes po.